गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एज व्लॉग। आज जाएंगे यामाहा के इवेंट में द कॉल ऑफ द ब्लू और टाइम हो रहा है 9:15, 12 बजे का है और 25 MR से ये लोनावाला क्रॉस कर चुकी है। तो मैं भी निकलता हूँ, वो लोग जब तक पहुँचेंगे तब तक मैं भी पहुँच जाऊँगा या फिर मैं जल्दी भी पहुँच जाऊँगा। तो पहुँच तो जाऊँगा, चलते हैं। अभी तक एंट्री चालू ही नहीं है, 11 बजे चालू होगी और 25 MRC भी अभी तक आई नहीं है। हम लोग तो लगी होगी ट्रैफिक, शायद से पक्का नहीं पता, पर शायद से लगी होगी। वो लोग जैसे ही आएंगे वैसे ही मैं अंदर जाऊँगा, उनका ही वेट करूँगा।
Always on my mind, and you're always right, girl. Put my trust in you. You could never lie, girl. I know what I want. You know what I...
मेरे हिसाब से देखोगे बेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स बाइक इज हियर R1। बहुत अच्छी लगती है बाइक। मन करता है अभी ले लूँ, पर कैश नहीं, पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं नहीं ले सकता। यहाँ पे है R3 200cc।
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go.
और गाइस, legend is here.
briefing में और in the Yamaha Racing Gymkhana. We also have the experience zone जहाँ पे हमारा बढ़िया Yamahas are all on display, right from the R15 version 3 to the Razier Speed Rally, all available here on the very cool experience zone. We have the biker cafe as well. जहाँ पे आप chill out कर सकते हैं here today at the Call of the Blue weekend. और दोस्तों हमारे timeless beauties जो है the RX100, the RD350 और the RXZ, बहुत सारे हमारे पुराने vintage models लगी हुई है at the Hall of Fame. तो दोस्तों check out कीजिए the Hall of Fame as well with your favorite timeless beauties, all the Yamahas. And we have the selfie zone as well with the all-new R15 version 3. Don't miss out on grabbing a selfie and hashtag कीजिए Call of the Blue weekend here today with Yamaha Racing.
The call of the blue. The call of the in your soul now. Take control now. The call of the blue. The call of the blue.
12 बज रहा है और यामाहा सेट लगाया है, एयर क्लीनिंग किया, अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा दिख रहा है।
अभी DSP is in the R15V3. Anyone किसी को पता है? 70.5 गलत. All heard together, the Call of the Blue, and are here today this weekend. And looks like we have people that have also heard the Call of the Blue all the way from Mumbai. Let's check them out. Some more Yamaha riders. Wow, awesome guys. Thank you so much for coming out here today. What are your guys' names?
My name is Bharat. Lenil. Ronak. Ravan.
आशीष,
क्या बात है. तो आप लोग का ग्रुप का कोई नाम है?
25 MRC.
25 MRC all the way from Mumbai. To जी दोस्तों, look how passionate these guys are. They also chose to hear the Call of the Blue and come down all the way to share that continuous passion for Yamaha here today in Pune. So thank you so much guys for coming out here today, and safe ride back home here from Pune. So that's right, it's all about that continuing passion for Yamaha.
Listen, listen, listen what's calling you. It's the call of the blue. The call of the blue. The call of the blue. Feel the road in your heart. Get off to a flying start.
a five, give me a five, give me a five. There we go. That's what it's all about. True love for Yamaha, everybody. Only here at the Call of the Blue weekend. लगता है फैज भी सुन लिया हमारा कॉल. The Call of the Blue.
The call of the blue.
Come on, Pune, make some noise! We're looking at the Call of the Blue dancing. Make some noise, Pune! Listen to what's calling. The Call of the Blue. That's it, Pune. It is the Call of the Blue weekend. Make some noise, everybody!
The call of the blue.